kids, welcome to Blackberry High.
What's your name?
My name is Satan.
You don't look like Satan.
What?
Okay. Who are you? Who are you?
I'm your principal.
Okay, put you on as principal. Alright. Okay, we're good. Guys, I'll meet back up with you later. Alright, bye. See ya. I'm running. I'm Mr. Rogers. Who are you again?
I'm Satan.
Nice.
Now, you two, don't ever come near my office.
Die, creature of the night!
What the heck? What the? We'll be right back. We'll get him. What I miss? Hey, what are you doing?
Why would
Cut
you
off
do
his
that?
foot. Why?
Because he's a demon. What did you do
So
to
what?
you?
Who cares?
He gave me detention.
Because detention.
Why would you give me your gun? You guys want to see your room? You guys want to see your rooms or not?
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
let's go.
What's your name?
Rex.
I'm Bronny.
Okay, guys, the rooms are over here in this building.
Hey, what the hell is wrong with the school? Yeah, this is school.
It's school in hell. You're all dead.
Hey, look, this school back. What the?
You see what I mean?
Hey, brother, wait,
Get out of here.